scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Finding this integral is simple if you follow these steps. Let's solve for g of -6 right now. First, we need to set up our integral from 2 to -6. Since the upper limit is smaller than the lower limit, we must flip them and change the sign. Now we calculate the signed area under the graph from -6 to 2. We find a large triangle and a smaller one, then subtract the area below the x-axis. Adding these areas gives 11, but the negative sign makes our final result -11. This is option B. Great job! Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs carefully to avoid a rush. Trust given values and check steps.